Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to decorate a spread in my classic size dashboard layout happy planner that I use as my catch-all planner. This will be for the week of Monday, November 11th through the 17th. I actually didn't even decorate for the current week. We're going to use Warm and Cozy. These are some new stickers that are available in my shop. All stickers are 50% off. So we have the mini, the small, and the large sticker sheet. And then I think I'm going to use some of my winter quotes. It is not warm and cozy here on the east coast of South Carolina, but we're going to pretend because I really want to use these stickers. I'm also going to be using my Christmas stickers in the next couple videos. So it doesn't even usually get cold here until January. So I'm going to use the stickers that I want to, even though they don't really reflect reality here. But anyways, I'm also going to use this really cute kind of plaid, I guess it's plaid, pink washi. This is some that I used to have in my shop. I have not restocked it. I can't find it. But yeah, so let's get started decorating. I think we're going to use some big stickers just to start laying down some stickers first. So we're going to lay down this chair and blankets. It looks very cozy. On my scissors so we can cut off this excess here. I may have to put my glasses on. I keep forgetting how dark it gets now early. It's like it's after 2 o'clock, but the sun is like way already on the other side of my house. So my eyes don't see very well when it gets kind of dark out. But we'll do that in a minute if I need to. Okay, and then let's see. I really want to put this sticker somewhere. I think I'm going to put it here just because I can. And then I'm going to grab my crocodile punch and punch out these holes before I forget and try to put it back in my planner and it won't go. So y'all let me know down in the comments, did you already pick up your new stickers from my shop or dashboards and covers? There's lots of new goodies in there. So excited about this release. I'm already working on my next release, and I've got some pretty cool items not sticker related that I'm going to be releasing. So consider that kind of a little sneak there. Okay. Oh, let me show you. This is We Are Memory Keepers. It's called a Crocodile Punch, CROPADILE. I think I have it listed down in the description below. All right, now let's see what else we can do here. I'm really liking using these big stickers. So let's just keep going with them. We're actually going to cover up a little bit of Thursday, but it's okay. So we have that, and then I would love to put something over here on Sunday. And I think I'm going to take the bear, put this cute little bear over here. Adorable. Okay. And then let's go ahead and lay down some boxes now. So what do I want to do here? I think I'm going to white out looking ahead. And I'm going to lay down a box, a long vertical box right here. Yeah, my eyes are awfully fuzzy. I'm going to go ahead and put my glasses on. All right, and then we can take the dark gray box and kind of just sit up here for a nice little cluster. And then maybe I'd like to use a quote. Let's see. Comfy, cozy we are. I want to use this one. Comfy, cozy we are. I'm going to cut this a little bit so that it doesn't go over top of my box there. I should have whited out in notes, and I think I'm going to. So let me just pull this up a little bit. White this out. There we go. Much better. Okay, comfy cozy we are. I think I'm going to take a couple, or maybe just one of these little quarter boxes and kind of put over here, just so that we have another box in with that little, actually, let's go this way with our little cluster. Yeah, that looks good like that. Okay, and then let's go ahead and do some boxes over here. I think we're going to do a light gray. I like using the vertical boxes on my dashboard layout. And then we'll do the dark gray, like down here. Okay, and then let's change up our headers. So let's do to do importance. So we're going to white out tasks and make that to do. And then we're going to white out importance and make that important. But we're going to use, oh yeah, I hate to use this because we have this here, but I think I'm going to remedy that in just a minute. I'll show you how. Need to move this up. So we're going to take a little pink quarter box and stick in here, like right here. Just kind of offset it, just to break up those two gray boxes. Okay, so now we have a whole little cluster there. And then what else can we do here? I think I'm going to take a box and a box. So we're going to take this and this. So we're going to do pink boxes on both. Well, come here. Okay. I think we're going to do a pink box like right here and just kind of stagger. I'm not going to push that down yet because I do want to white out something. So we're going to white out the dark gray behind this, just so it doesn't distract my writing. And then we're going to white out the light gray behind here. And of course I went too far. I do that occasionally. If I can just scrape that off with my tweezers, you shouldn't be able to notice it too much. Okay, perfect. All right, look how cute this is already. So now let's decorate a little bit with, I think we're going to use some mini stickers. So we're going to take this little backpack and we're going to just stick it in here. But I'm going to flatten the bottom of it just by cutting straight across so that I can lay it on top of this light gray box. Like that. And then we need something down here. We could take the boots and put the boots down here. I want this, yeah. And so we're just going to stick the boots like right there. All right, that's cute. And then over here, I really want to use this mug. So again, I'm going to cut the mug flat on the bottom so we can put the little mug right there. So cute. Okay, and now I'm going to bring in, oh, I need to put my meals header up here. Okay, perfect. I was going to say, I hope I strategized that color placement enough so that I wouldn't have two similar colors up here. But I have gray, light gray, and light gray, but that'll work. Okay, so now let's incorporate some washi. So I think we're just going to do some washi at the bottom and the top, kind of like I used to always do. So let's put some down here at the bottom. And I'm going to cut it, and then I'm going to kind of rip it diagonally. Take that off of there so I can use this on the other side. Okay. Where'd that piece go? Right there. So now we're going to just kind of rip this. Actually, I'm going to use my X-Acto and cut it. I'm not going to rip it. Perfect. And so we could put some, I think we're going to put a little bit up top here. Just going to use a little bit so that I can do some on the other side too, without wasting the washi. And then we'll cut diagonally here. Perfect. All right, and then we'll do the same here, and then we'll go across the bottom here. So we're going to have to use a little bit more washi. I kind of wish I'd have paid attention to how I laid that down. Philly. So let's just try to line these up because I want them to be like the same height. The pattern doesn't have to match, but I do want the washi to kind of be the same height. Okay. So we'll cut across here. I left a little bit on there. Let's get that off. And then we're going to go up top here, and I'm actually just going to use this piece. It's a little bit longer than the one on the other side, so they won't be exactly the same. Okay, and then let's go here. All right, and then I need to cut this little bit off here. Look how cute this is. That washi is adorable. So, is there anything else that I can do to this spread? I don't think so. I think we're going to stick it back in my planner and see what it looks like. So, hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you'll give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you would go ahead and consider subscribing. It is free of charge to do so. Just hit that subscribe button. If you have Instagram, follow me over there. And check out my website if you haven't already. All stickers are automatically 20% off. You can use the code WINTERLOVE in all capital letters to save 20% off of dashboards, covers, anything that's not a sticker. So that website is pleasantlyplanned.com. So, okay, that is it for this video. I thank y'all so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.